let's enjoy. I'm back again with another tutorial on how you can boost your internet connection. Okay, without further ado, let's get started.
Okay guys, right now I will be going to teach you on how you can boost your internet connection. But before that, we need to conduct the speed test so you can see the difference, okay? So I will be going to search the speed test. Okay, then click this. Our internet provider is Converge, then the plan that we are using is 25 Mbps. Okay, I will going to click this go to see the result. Okay, as you can see, the result is 90.17, the download, and the upload is 88.84, and the ping is 1. Okay, so I will go into close this browser, then right away I will teach you right. Okay, just click this. Can you see my cursor, mouse cursor? Click this one, then click this network and internet settings. Then go to change adapter options. Then go to this one and you should click the right click on your mouse, okay? Then go to the properties. Then go to configure. After that, you should go to the advanced. Then we will take a look for speed and duplex. There you go. Then as you can see, the value or the default value was 100 Mbps half duplex, so we will going to change this into 1.0 Gbps. Then click OK. Then I will going to close this and this one. Then let's take a look for the speed test result. Alright, can you see the difference between before and after? Okay, we got the result right now. As you can see, it was increased. Then let's try again, okay? Okay, as you can see, there's a massive difference between before and after. And I hope you learn a lot from this tutorial, and thank you for watching. Bye!
So yun guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you will be updated to our next video. Hi, thank you for watching.